Today I just wake up in the morning in the house alone, and of course I prepare also my vitamin C, and I wanna take some. And of course I use the vitamin C of the C Supreme Vitamin C, which is it's effective one. And I take it during the morning because I just like it. I just seen it and I take it. So after that, I also, nagsampay tayo ng mga damit na basang-basa pa since simulang kahapon at hindi na fully tuyo yung ating mga damit. So, sinampay ulit muna natin. And of course, pinakain din natin yung ating mga fur babies before going to work. So, these are my babies who don't want me to leave because I don't know, I think they miss me already. And ito yung nakita po natin na itatanim for today. Ito yung mga mais na naiwan. This will be the last mais na itatanim ko dito sa may bundok. And here you go. I'm just preparing, and then my dogs don't want me to leave really. So I don't know why, but they really want me to stay and play with them. Oh, see? This is my Misty. This is my baby. And she really don't want me to leave. She really want me to hug her, to touch her. She's so clingy. But she's so cute for me because this is my dog, of course. So this is his baby also. His name is Bukoy Koy, and this is Misty. This is the mother of my babies. So now let's go and then let's start our day with planting. Okay, hindi pa ako nagkakape, hindi na rin po ako nagkumain. So it just feels like I just want to go up there and then do my work, and because umaga po, and around 5, around 6, ganon. So, we will be planting this mais na hawak-hawak ko. Nakapagtanim na ako, tumubo na sila, and meron pa pala, so itatanim natin lahat. So hopefully, tataba yung mga to and madidiligan ng ulan since So start na tayo sa ating pagtatanim. So, nataniman ko lahat to hanggang dun sa may taas, yung nakukuha ng video. Kahit hindi malinis, tinaniman natin ng mais. So, ang susunod natin gawin pag tumubo na sila is lilinisan. Tatanggalin ng mga ganito. Ganito. So, ito po yung nataniman natin, and this one, ito na sila. Ayan, nataniman lahat natin yan. Ayan. So, hopefully gagabay. And ito yung mga naunang naitanim natin. Malalaki na sila. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan. Kunting taas pa. Ayan, ang dami doon. And ito mismo, nataniman to, yung bundok na to, tinaniman natin hanggang sa may taas. Kasi meron pang taas dyan, itataas yan. And there you go, mga tanim po natin. Ayan, nataniman natin to. And pati dito sa may baba. Yan. Ito nataniman natin yan. Ayun sila. Lumalaki na sila. Bakit to? Anong nangyari sa camera? Yan. Yan sila. Yan sila. And ito mismo hanggang doon sa dulo, nataniman yan. So, tanim pa tayo kasi madami pa sa bulsa natin. And guys, meron pa tayong mga tinanim na sitting beans. So, ito yung mga sitting beans na tinanim natin. Ayan. So, tumubo pala sila. Ayan guys. And mais, and then setting beans, kamote, mga beans, and mga beans, and now I'm so tired and I wanna sleep again. Thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, to share, to comment, and of course to click the notification bell for you to be updated sa mga susunod natin na mga video. Ayan. God bless. Happy farming day.